If your cat follows you like a detective on a case, you're in for a treat. Cats are known for their independence, but let's crack the mystery of why your kitty is your constant companion. First, it's all about love. Your cat sees you as part of their family and wants to be close to their favorite human. Second, they're curious creatures. They just have to know what you're up to. Third, it's a matter of safety. Cats feel secure when they're near you, their trusty protector. And lastly, let's be honest, they're hoping for a snack. So next time your cat's on your tail, remember, it's their way of saying, I love you, human. Give them some extra pets and enjoy the companionship. Who knew being a cat magnet could be this fun?